In this video I will show you how to transfer photo video from phone to laptop with USB. So guys, first you will be connect a USB cable in your laptop USB port. After that in mobile connect C type cable like charging, and here showing your phones. So first connecting, what setting do? Middle my phone and I connected C type port in phone jack insert and like charging. So this is my phone. First you scroll, open this Android system USB file transfer pop up open. After that click file transfer Android auto. Okay, this is my phone and click folder open data share. This my phone folder, so open. Or this is my PC. Okay, this is my PC like drive E, and I want 3 video share phone. So drag and drop this is here. You can see 3 video share in phone. I see data center 3 video. I want 7 video share. You can see 7 video share. PC to phone. I want phone to PC. So phone, this is my phone. First you delete. First this is delete. Okay. Data folder I deleted. You can see data folder deleted. And phone to laptop share. So I share D drive. So D drive open, and after that this folder, select 2 folder I want share. So drag and drop 2 folder. This is my PC and drop. You can see copy data. So USB method use easily share phone to laptop, laptop to phone data.